At this point, you're asking yourself, well, why wouldn't they just use Shutterstock, or why not use Shutterstock? The main reason is, obviously these photos are gonna be more expensive than Shutterstock, but it's because of us. We're content creators. We have the eye. Oftentimes they need human elements in it. They don't need to see our face, but we can be in the back of it. So we're able to get unique, real images that are engaging that they couldn't necessarily get from stock. And if you look on stock sites, it's the same stock image being sold here, here, and there. You could see the same stock image on multiple different websites. So this one's a little bit more unique. And then, if we're different content creators from different backgrounds, maybe it's a white couple like my wife and I, maybe it's a black couple, maybe it's an Asian, a mixed race, maybe there's families, maybe it's somebody who is, the different types of travels, I don't have all the gear to do mountain rock climbing stuff. So maybe they would just hire a content creator who does rock climbing photos. All of these things give it some variety, give it some different image, give it some different flair.